class. This is how we're going to be doing class for a while. So welcome to our new setup. It's awesome and I'm stoked. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of videos on Google Sites, which I just linked to Google Classroom. All the assignments will still be on Google Classroom, and we're going to try our best to make this work. Hopefully this video finds you before school starts on Monday, but I'm going to start doing lectures just like this. We'll walk through the study guide. We got our test on Tuesday, still Tuesday even though we've been off for a week. But on Monday we'll go through the whole study guide. I'll do every problem with you, and then we'll do the test on Tuesday. Hopefully you guys are having fun with your unique family time that we've just found ourselves in. And I'll see you soon. Have a great weekend.